Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update. Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to enable dark theme in GIMP 2.10 on Windows 10. Okay, so just open your GIMP software and you can see guys, I have this light theme enabled right now in GIMP 2.10. Okay, so let's enable dark theme on this. Okay, so for this guys, you need to click on this edit and then click on this preferences, and here we have this preferences window opened. Okay, and here we have this interface. Just expand this interface if it's not expanded by clicking on this plus button. Okay, and here we have this theme. Click on this theme and you can see that here we have 4 themes available: system, light, gray and dark. Okay, so if I click on this system theme, you can see here is the preview. Okay, and if I click on this light, you can see here is the preview, and if I click on this gray, you can see here is the preview, but we want to enable this dark theme. Okay, so just click on this dark and you can see the preview. Okay, and after that click on this OK button. So guys, you can see that dark theme is now enabled on GIMP 2.10. Okay, so let me close this GIMP software and again open it. Let's see if this is working or not. Okay, so let me click on this close button. Okay, and let me again open it. So I need to click on this search box and type GIMP, and here we have the GIMP app. Let me click on this to open this. It's opening, and you can see guys, here we have the dark theme. Okay, so guys, that's it. In this way you can easily enable dark theme in GIMP 2.10 on Windows 10. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.